Dr. Siyang is the co-founder of Gold Technology Shenzhen Company Limited, which specializes in producing high-precision manufacturing equipment. Dr. Li entered PolyU in 2013, starting his research postgraduate education. He conducted high-level research in the Department of Electrical Engineering, which laid a solid foundation for his later entrepreneurship. His company was established in 2018 with an initial startup value of renminbi 10 million, while sales reached renminbi 30 million in 4 years' time. Currently overseeing a team of 60 employees in 2 office locations in China, Dr. Li is both a researcher and an entrepreneur. With a strong background in research, Dr. Li invented the first linear rotary motor in China, which greatly improves the quality of manufacturing equipment. Under his leadership, the company has won awards including the Laser Equipment Industry Innovation Contribution Award and the 2nd-tier National High Technology Enterprise Award. Dr. Li was selected by Forbes China 2020 as an elite entrepreneur and leader in the 30 under 30 list. Looking into the future of the high-precision manufacturing industry, as production equipment and core components directly determine product quality, Dr. Li's team will continue producing the most stable and foolproof products.